Hey guys, Penny Rattler here, crew manager. We are out here in East Peoria, Illinois, working on a 42 by 72 building here, 12 foot tall. We've got guys out here just kind of hanging trusses. The old truss days, best day is how I see it. We do our spans every 8 foot centers here, so we have the gable truss tied off on both directions per pole. Then we do have temporary liners going across that 8 foot truss. Oh, sorry guys, getting yelled at over here. Gotta do my job. Hook that up, hook it up to the peak. As tag liner here, we're gonna make sure we try not to hit anybody. We'll make sure we have like good constant communications between foreman and his men, and make sure that we don't kill the gradle. There we go. So side load these 42s. Everyone is in their position of where they need to be. This is kind of a low, steady process here. There's a lot of factors that go into hanging trusses here. A lot of communications. There can be issues between comms to gradle machinery problems, so even just as you can see, the dirt here is very soft. The goal is to try to hang these trusses in before rain comes in, but Carlos is communicating to his guys here to make sure that we can get this truss nice and straight. We're just going to inch this forward. Oh, you got Lamone here. He's kind of guiding his truss into the pocket. As it comes down, Miguel on the other side will guide his truss into his pocket. We'll just kind of slowly lower that in. Try to do this nice and straight.
Easy, baby.
Easy. Right, Carlos?
Yeah.
That's right. We'll just kind of straighten out this truss a little bit. Make it easier for us to put liners on. And that's how you set a truss until we started lining it off and growing it off.